Hello and welcome to another ICP update video. On this chart, the ICP price has now reached the 61.8 retracement. That's a very, very important support level. And as I said, over the last few days, the white scenario, which is the short-term bearish scenario, remains preferred. So far, this has proven to be correct, at least it's following the preferred interpretation, which is the pathway that can take us to lower prices. Now, in the white scenario, we formed from the all-time low a three-wave move to the upside, which from an Elliott wave point of view is clearly simply an A, B, C structure, a corrective move, a three-wave move, which should lead to another low, because three-wave movements do not establish a new main trend. Rather, after a three-wave move up, we have seen a five-wave decline, which opens the door to lower prices. Because again, five waves indicate the trend, three waves are a counter-trend move, which is why after a five-wave decline, we are going to watch for a three-wave move up and then further continuation to the downside. So far, we haven't really seen a reliable wave 2. Again, the wave 2 in this case would provide the corrective bounce, which is needed to correct the five-wave decline. So we have five waves in the main direction down, and then a corrective move up should form a lower high. The resistance area for this is between $6.12 and $8.37. The thing is, it's technically possible that we have already seen wave 2, and we're already in the third wave to the downside. The third wave in any Elliott wave pattern, in an Elliott wave structure, the third wave is typically the most aggressive move. In this case, then to the downside. So it's not looking that aggressive yet. And also, this wave 2 was a little bit too small to be reliable. Therefore, preference is still that a wave 2 bounce occurs. I still like the idea of a larger wave 2. So we are now at a key spot because the price is testing a previous swing high, which was resistance before, is now support. We're currently testing that level, even slightly breaking below it, but the $4.51 level is just below. So in this area around $4.50 to $4.70, there is a fairly strong support area. This is also where on the 5th of November, the price found local support. The resistance area is very well defined, and it really takes a break above resistance, above $8.38, to open the door to higher prices and to, let's say, lift the orange scenario, which is currently only the alternative interpretation to primary status. However, the orange scenario, which is the short-term bullish scenario, is less likely because we only have a three-wave move up so far and a five-wave decline. So basically, the orange scenario would need to prove itself. It could, of course, take the price higher, absolutely, but then again, it needs to prove itself. So for now, I'm still watching for the potential of a bounce, but it would likely not break above $8.38. That's the update on ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.